Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Chevy Silverado 1500. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel on the front end. We're going to take a look down the passenger side here. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Taking just a closer look at the wheel here to show you how clean it is. No rust or anything like that on the wheel. Running boards on the side. Taking a look inside, you have cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back end, you have a factory trailer hitch. You have the steps here on the back to make it a little bit easier to get in. And of course, you have a rear backup camera. Taking a look at the bed now. Spray and bed liner is going to keep that bed nice and safe and very clean. It is a Line X bed liner as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. We're just going to take a look down the driver's side here to show you how clean the paint is. No scratches, dents. Taking a look inside now, you have your power locks, windows, and mirrors here on the door. We're going to take a quick look inside here. You have your four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo as well as dual climate control and heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.